But the good news is we're actually getting some sun breaks outside, so it's kind of nice to maybe put the sun glasses on as we look outside right now. Remember, a few clouds out there. All in all, though, 42 degrees, so a very comfortable day. We do have a light southwest wind at 3 miles per hour. I've already got a couple of emails stating that they're very excited to see some of this sunshine. Out towards Beaverton, though, we're still dealing with some fog and lots of clouds. You can see right now at 39 degrees, but out towards Lincoln City, a little bit of blue in the sky there, 56, so one of the warmer spots out towards the coast. Even out towards Cannon Beach at 50 degrees, and you can see some of the people out there walking with their dogs. Some clouds starting to filter in from the north and west, and that's going to be all ahead of the system that's going to start to impact us by tonight. And I'll get to that here in just a second, but let's focus on our visibilities because this morning we had some pretty dense fog. Now out towards Hillsboro, right around a mile, around 7 in Portland, so some patchy fog, and then further east you get towards Troutdale and up towards Vancouver, looking good right now. Down towards our south, still about 1.75 miles towards McMinnville, but Salem, your visibility is at 10, so looking good right there. Now, we did have dense fog advisories that were in effect this morning, but the National Weather Service did cancel those, so that's good news there. But we're still dealing with this air stagnation for all the areas shaded in yellow, so that does include parts of the gorge out towards the east. Does not include Portland, but further south towards Salem and Eugene, you're included in that, and that goes until 4 o'clock this afternoon. So as we focus on your planner, temperatures will get into the mid to upper 40s for us, so it is going to be a comfortable day with those sun breaks. All in all, we'll stay dry through about 5 p.m. and a slow cool down right around 5 o'clock. But as we get into the evening hours, that's when we start to see some light rain showers developing through 7 o'clock and after, and then rain becomes steady overnight tonight into tomorrow morning before the system exits. So you can see the low clouds and the fog through the valley right there. Some of these higher base clouds are starting to filter in with that system, but no moisture really until you get up towards Washington. And you can see a lot of moisture with this. This is with a frontal boundary that's going to start to slide towards the south and the east today. So as we go ahead and time the rain out for you, again, we'll stay dry through about 7 o'clock. Now, if you live up towards the North Shore, you might start to see some drizzle or a light shower before that. By the time we roll around to about 9 p.m. is when we're going to start to see more of the moderate showers starting to make their way into the Portland metro area and points south. Now, I'm going to stop the clock right around 6 a.m. tomorrow. Notice that we're not really seeing much on the forecast model here. As we get into the mountains, not a lot of snow either. Now, snow levels will drop to about 4,000 feet by tomorrow morning. We could get maybe 1 to 2 inches of snow, but I think that's really about it. We could still get a possible shower by tomorrow morning with some morning fog, but then we dry out, and I think we'll get some nice sun breaks towards the afternoon, so it's going to be a nice start to the weekend. So what to expect? Rain amounts generally about 1/10 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch, so really not that much, and we do need the rain. Snow levels started today right around 7,000 feet, but again, they're going to drop to around 4,000 feet by tomorrow morning, and about 1 to 2 inches of snow up for the ski resorts. So warmer along the coast, lower 50s today with some sunshine, and then the rain developing later. Still some fog in the valley with that air stagnation advisory and some sunshine around Salem and Eugene. East of the mountains, we'll see some showers starting to filter in later today, maybe mixing with some snow towards the Baker City overnight tonight. And then as we get into the gorge, again, that air stagnation advisory is still in effect, but you'll see the showers developing. And for Government Camp, you'll start as rain and maybe some flurries starting to make their way in by tomorrow. So as we detail the next couple of days for you, we'll possibly see a few showers early in the morning, and then on Saturday we dry out. We actually start to get an east wind coming in here over the weekend, and some of us could approach that 50-degree mark by Sunday, and then another system comes in Tuesday and Wednesday that will bring us another chance of rain and mountain snow.
Well, look at us. And mountain snow, always a good thing because they need more.
That's right. The skiers will love it.
I know. They've been kind of, Kelly Day was in here going, what's going on? Yeah, she